Ever feel like cooking just takes too long or feels like a chore? You're not alone. But here's the good news. There are clever kitchen gadgets out there that can seriously make your life easier. From chopping to cleaning, these tools do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. In this video, we're exploring genius kitchen gadgets that save time, reduce mess, and make cooking way more fun. All available on Amazon. 1. Speedy Vegetable Chopper. First up, the mighty vegetable chopper. If chopping onions brings you to tears, literally, this gadget is about to change your life. Just place your veggies inside, press down on the lid, and boom, you get evenly chopped pieces in seconds. It works great for onions, tomatoes, carrots, garlic, even fruit. No more watery eyes, messy cutting boards, or endless dicing. It's quick, clean, and super efficient. Perfect for busy weeknights, meal prepping, or anytime you want to cut your cooking time in half without sacrificing freshness. 2. One-click oil spray bottle. Trying to eat healthier or cut down on calories without giving up flavor? This oil spray bottle is your new go-to kitchen buddy. It lets you control exactly how much oil you're using. No more accidental pours or greasy puddles on your food. Just pump it up, press the nozzle, and spray a fine, even mist over your pan, veggies, or salad. It's perfect for air frying, roasting, baking, or even grilling. Plus, it saves you money by stretching your oil further. No more oily fingers, no more waste, just smart, clean cooking made super easy. 3. Adjustable measuring spoon. Why clutter your kitchen with a whole set of measuring spoons when one clever tool can do it all? This adjustable measuring spoon slides smoothly to measure everything from 1/8 teaspoon to a full tablespoon. Just set it to your desired amount, scoop, and go. It's perfect for both dry and liquid ingredients, and it's way easier to clean than juggling multiple spoons. No more digging through drawers to find the right size. It's space-saving, time-saving, and honestly kind of satisfying to use. A small gadget that makes a big difference in everyday cooking. 4. Automatic pot stirrer. Ever had a sauce stick to the bottom of the pan because you turned your back for just 1 minute? We've all been there. That's where the automatic pot stirrer comes in. Just place it in your pot, turn it on, and let it handle the stirring while you focus on other things, like chopping veggies or checking the oven. It's perfect for sauces, soups, custards, or anything that needs constant motion. The rotating arms keep your food from burning or clumping, and it works like a charm. It's basically like having a tiny sous chef with endless patience. Hands-free cooking just leveled up. 5. SnapOn Pot Strainer. Struggling with a heavy pot and a big colander over the sink? Say goodbye to awkward draining. This SnapOn strainer clips securely onto the edge of your pot, so you can drain pasta, veggies, or boiled potatoes with just a tilt. No extra tools or mess. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and way easier to store than a bulky colander. Plus, it fits most standard pots and pans. It's one of those genius little gadgets that makes you wonder how you ever cooked without it. Simple, smart, and super useful. 6. Digital meat thermometer. Wondering if your chicken is done or if your steak is really medium rare? Stop guessing and start cooking with confidence. This digital meat thermometer gives you an instant and accurate temperature reading with just a quick insert. It's a lifesaver for getting perfectly cooked meats, juicy, safe, and never overdone. Whether you're grilling outside, roasting in the oven, or pan-searing on the stove, this tool takes all the guesswork out of the process. It's a must-have for beginners learning their way around meat temperatures, and a trusted sidekick for experienced home chefs aiming for precision. Just tap, check, and serve with peace of mind. 7. Mini bag sealer. If you're constantly rolling up chip bags or using clips that never seem to hold, this one's for you. The mini heat sealer is a compact gadget that reseals snack bags in seconds using gentle heat. Just press it closed and slide it across the top of the bag. Boom! It's sealed airtight. No more stale chips, soggy cereal, or freezer-burned veggies. It's perfect for snack lovers, meal preppers, or anyone trying to cut down on food waste. 8. Silicone clip-on spoon rest. Ever found yourself mid-cook, wondering where to put your sauce-covered spoon? If you usually drop it on a napkin or balance it on the pot rim, this clever gadget is a total upgrade. The silicone clip-on spoon rest attaches directly to the side of your pot or pan and holds your utensil upright. No more dripping sauce on your counter or accidentally knocking your spoon into the sink. It's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and keeps your kitchen neat and organized while you cook. 9. MultiBlade herb scissors. If you love cooking with fresh herbs but hate all the fine chopping, you need to try these MultiBlade herb scissors. With 5 sharp blades, they cut through herbs like parsley, cilantro, basil, chives, you name it, in just a few snips. It's like having a mini herb factory in your hand. They make garnishing your dishes quick, consistent, and honestly kind of fun. No more sticking herbs to your knife or wasting time mincing tiny leaves. 10. Collapsible cutting board with drain. This gadget is a total space saver and multitasker rolled into one. It works as a sturdy cutting board, but with a twist. It has a built-in strainer on one end, so you can rinse your fruits or veggies right after chopping. And when you're done, just collapse it flat and tuck it away. It's perfect for small kitchens, campers, or anyone who loves tools that do more than one job. Say goodbye to juggling a cutting board and a colander at the same time. This little tool keeps your prep area neat and your process smooth. Less mess, more efficiency. Point 11. Magnetic measuring cups and spoon set. We all know the struggle, digging through a cluttered drawer looking for that one missing tablespoon. Not anymore. This magnetic measuring set sticks together neatly, so every piece stays in place and organized. Each cup and spoon is clearly labeled super sturdy and designed with narrow ends to fit easily into spice jars or small containers. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or following a recipe to the letter, these tools make it easy to measure precisely without the frustration. Point 12. Garlic press and peeler set. Let's be real, peeling and mincing garlic is one of the least fun parts of cooking. It's sticky, smelly, and somehow the garlic always clings to your fingers. But this garlic press and peeler set completely changes the game. Just pop a clove into the silicone tube, roll it back and forth, and the peel slips right off. No mess, no smell. Then, place it in the press and squeeze fresh, finely minced garlic with almost no effort. It's fast, efficient, and keeps your hands clean. Whether you're whipping up pasta, stir-fry, or marinades, this set saves time and keeps the flavor right where it belongs, in your food. 13. Electric can opener. Tired of wrestling with stubborn manual can openers? This electric can opener makes things effortless. Just place it on top of your can, press the button, and let it do all the work for you. It glides around the lid smoothly and even leaves the edges safe and smooth to the touch. No more sharp metal to worry about. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis, weak grip strength, or anyone who just wants an easier, faster way to open cans. 14. Pan clip timer. Juggling multiple dishes at once? It's way too easy to forget one on the stove. That's where this clever little gadget comes in. The pan clip timer attaches right to your pot or pan, keeping the timer in plain view while you cook. Just set it and focus on other things. It'll beep when your dish is ready. Whether you're boiling pasta, simmering rice, or making the perfect soft-boiled egg, this timer helps you stay on top of it all. It's like having a mini sous chef reminding you exactly when to stir, check, or serve. No more burned bottoms or forgotten sides. 15. HandsFree trash bag holder. Scraps on the counter, peels piling up, trips back and forth to the trash can. Sound familiar? This hands-free trash bag holder is a simple fix that makes a big difference. Just hook it onto any drawer or cabinet door, hang a grocery bag, and start tossing your scraps in as you prep. Whether you're peeling potatoes, chopping veggies, or trimming meat, it keeps your workstation neat and your workflow smooth. No bending down, no messy counters, and no dripping across the kitchen. So, which kitchen gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're excited to try. If you found something you liked, make sure to check the links in the description to grab yours. And hey, if you enjoy easy kitchen tips and clever tools, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. We've got plenty of great content coming your way.